Hi everyone. So the first lab that I did was the It's a Gas lab. Here are a few photos from doing the lab, and then here's my lab sheet. And the first part of the lab sheet said to describe the baking soda. I described that it was a powdery substance. It had small grain texture. The vinegar over here was liquid, clear. It looked similar to water. And then I predicted that the baking soda would dissolve. And then here, we'll move on to the next slide. Here's a photo of how the baking soda is sitting at the bottom of the bag, and then the small cup that has the vinegar inside. And I put to close the bag airtight. So as you can see, the bag is folded over, it's sealed tightly, and I squeezed out as much air as possible. And then the next part of the lab is to spill the vinegar inside of the baking soda and then watch what happens. So I did that. And then here the quality of the photo isn't that great. You can see that the bag began to expand, and then there were bubbles at the bottom where the vinegar and the baking soda combined. So it created a air in the bag and then bubbles. So here's my final lab sheet. It said the bag expands, created bubbles, and then it says what happens after the substances are in the bag. You only see one liquid. The powder has completely dissolved. And then it says to think about it. If did you make a chemical change, and how is it different from a physical change? Well, the chemical change involved mixing two substances. So that was my first lab. Thank you so much for watching.